Yo, blow them. Back in another banging video for y'all boys. I'm back again with another drip video for y'all boys. Come on. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all what I got from Temu. They hooked your boy up with like 9-10 pairs of things. Download the Temu app to get a $100 coupon bundle, or search my code DMR2634 on the Temu app to claim. That will be in the link in the description too. Now the first item I got from Temu are these pants. Nice little camouflage, nature, little shredded pants. What really made me get these, the shredded is coming off on the pants. These will be linked in the description too. Follow me on Instagram, man, cause I do be doing unboxing videos. I did drop on, I think I had wore these with like a Nike shirt and some Christian Dior shoes. You know, I bust a fit. It's like right here on the side of the screen, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you follow me, man. But y'all let me know in the comments, man, what would you give these pants or the fit that I wore with these, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know in the comments. So next pair of items, we got more jeans. I haven't worn these yet, you know what I'm saying? I wore these in the unboxing video too. Follow me on Instagram. But yeah, I give these straight 10. These type of jeans, 10s. Also, the link for those jeans will be in the description as well. So make sure y'all check the description out, man. Now the next item, we got some more jeans. I got 3 pairs of jeans from the site because I did need more jeans. I did need some black jeans. As you can see, they got like a little shredded in them. Temu got some fire clothes, some fire jeans, fire shirts, fire sweaters. Y'all can check in the unboxing video. I did wear these too in the unboxing video. I'm gonna give these straight 10s. All the jeans I got from Temu straight 10. Forget a Sheen, forget Fashion Nova. Go shop with Temu, they got it. Now we're gonna get straight to the sweatpants, track pants, where you wanna call them type shit. First pair of sweats, we got these. They did have like the white string hanging out, but I had washed them and the washer kind of tore it out type shit. They do that to all my stuff with strings on it. You know what I'm saying? But great design on it, black and white. You can't go wrong with black and white sweats. The link to these will be in the description. They fit very well. I also had these in the unboxing video too. So y'all let me know in the comment section, bro, how y'all feel about these. But the next pair, we got some more black and white sweats, track pants. You know what I'm saying? These got the strings on there. The washing machine, they ain't fucked these up. You know what I'm saying? But they got the little okay smiley face. I bust this fit with a sweater I got from Temu. You know what I'm saying? You can never go wrong with black and white sweats. You know what I'm saying? They fit very comfortable. They're kind of like baggy loose sweats. The link to those will be in the description as well. Every item I get, link in the description. Now for the next item, now these are fire. Got the little black, I don't know what that is. They're kind of like the jeans. They're fitted up top, then once you get towards like the pants leg area where the shoe supposed to be at, they're like the TheChicagloKid pants. Like they're very like loose towards the bottom. But I really got these to go with my Cool Gray 11. But these for sure, 10 out of 10. I also got this shirt, True Religion. This reminds me of like a True Religion Nike dry fit shirt. I be wearing this in the house because I think I got the wrong size. It's kind of like loose on me, but I wear this like in the house type shit. The link to this will be in the description as well. So on to the next item. I also got a sweater, Chase a bag. I got this because I do bank with Chase. None of y'all better not crack my car, you know. But yeah, I bust a nice little fit with these sweats and this sweater type shit. The sweater is very comfortable. It's not like a heavy sweater. Comfortable, soft material on the inside. Me personally, sweater, 10 out of 10. If you want this sweater, link in the description. Just look for a Chase sweater type shit. You know what I'm saying? You'll find it. Everything's linked in the description, I promise y'all. Next item on our list. Now I got this off the Temu site. You know, I like the message of the jacket. Stay humble, hustle hard type shit. That's what Big Hunter is all about. When Temu blessed me to get all these clothes, I wanted to make sure that every clothes that I get from the Temu site goes with some of the stuff that I get or some of the clothes that I have at my home. So I really got this to match with these jeans, you know what I'm saying? And they somewhat kind of, you know, they really do type shit. They really do. Kind of got the wrong size. I got a size large in this. It's just a little big. Yeah, it's just a little big. Overall, I'm gonna give the jacket a cool 7.7. That's it for all the clothes, but we not done yet, glow them. So they sent me a pair of these shark slides. The slides that Temu sent me, they're the same one as these. They look just like these, but my girl has them because, you know, she be coming over here, she be stealing my stuff. I had got these from the actual like people who make these shark slides. I think they're called like Cloud Shark or something, but I did a collab with them like last year. They sent me these for free. Now I'm in Texas. It's been super hot out here, so I was like, you know what, let me get one of these neck fans type shit. Hey, my girl be hating on this, but it works for me. Shit, you can feel it. It feel good. Shit, you can like adjust the speed to it. I'm giving this 10 out of 10. Ooh, I wanted some stuff for the room because I'm gonna start streaming soon. I got a little trippy smiley face carpet. You know what I'm saying? Something slight, nothing too major. You know what I'm saying? I like how in the nighttime I be having like LED lights on my walls and shit. It be making the trippy thing like really trippy, like no doubt. I love it. My first like designer carpet, I guess. But yeah, y'all let me know in the comments, man, how y'all feel about my carpet, man. And if you want your trippy carpet, man, link in the description. All the stuff that I got from Temu will be linked in the description. Go check it right now. Download the Temu app so you can get a $100 coupon bundle, bro. Or go on the Temu app, search my code DMR2634 on Temu to claim. The next item, I can't really bring it to the camera. You know, I'll bring the camera to it. But I got a neon sign. Like I said, I'm about to start gaming very soon. I do plan on going on Temu to get more. Temu, let's work again, man. They sent me a neon sign. I love this neon sign because one, my favorite movie of all time is Scarface. If you want the neon sign I have, click the link in the description. Go get it. Also, Temu also sent me some bucket hats. But like I said, bro, I got the wrong size, so I ended up giving it to my girl. But as you can see, they right here. You know what I'm saying? I put it in my little unboxing video. They right there. If you want these raw fire bucket hats, click the link in the description, go get you some. Or use my code DMR2634. Or click the link in the description, get your $100 coupon bundle. Do that. For the last item that I got from Temu, like I said, I was not only just thinking about my clothes or my wardrobe, I was also thinking about my room and my setup. I decided to get it's a LED gaming keyboard pad. But it's a LED light gaming key. You know what I'm saying? You see it changes colors. You know what I'm saying? It changes colors and stuff. Yeah, it's for my gaming setup. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to start streaming soon. This is my PC monitor. There's my PC, my PS5 gaming monitor, PS5, and this is like where I edit my videos. You know what I'm saying? That's it for the video, man. I just wanted to showcase. I just want to show y'all everything Temu hooked me up with. They hooked your boy up with a lot of stuff. Like I'll say, what, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They hooked me up with like 14, 15 items, bro. So Temu, I love y'all. Let's do this again. Let's run it back ASAP, Temu. Stop. But if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button if you enjoyed today's video. I hope you have a peace, positive day. Peace, positive night. Tell your girls up the bad boy, cause we dope. Whoa, man. Felicia chill, but she got it for that. Tell us our jacuzzi did. I love y'all boys. Gang.